Welcome to Schneider Classics. I'm Mark Schneider. Today we're going to be working on this 1972 Sno-Jet. So as you guys know, this is now my father's sled. But today we're going to work on the exhaust. I've already gone through and taken the exhaust off the hearth motor. So you can see here, we have our nice little pipe. The hearth motor is a lot of fun. So what we have to do is right here, we got to make it, I've already marked it. I need to make a cut there and here and make it shorter and straighter, because off the old pipe, this is off the old pipe off the Yamaha that was originally in this motor, the Yamaha engine's more angled down, and that's why it has to curve up. Where this one, for this motor, it's more angled out than up. So I have to make a small cut here, small cut there, bring this back down to, one, I have to shorten it, and two, I have to make it more straight, which is fine. And then we'll put on the little exhaust clips I have in here, right here. Put on new exhaust springs with my exhaust tool. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna make the cut. Make the cut, then bring her in and weld her up, and let's go. As you can see here now, we got her lined up. So this is where I gotta make the weld. It's where the exhaust clips will go, so I got to fill this in with weld. So first I got to clean it up, then I'll bring it back here to measure it up again so I can make a mark. But yeah, we'll clean off all this paint, clean up the rust so I can weld it. We'll go bring it here, make a mark, and weld it all up. There you go. I also do want to kind of take this off and spray paint this chrome as well, just because it'd be funny, but let's get this done. Always wear safety glasses. Yeah, as you can see here, there's my nice pretty weld. We put on the exhaust springs. Exhaust is fully hooked up. Let's see what she sounds like with the exhaust now, finally. Because you've heard her in past videos what she sounds like without exhaust. Let's hear what it sounds like with exhaust. we're just going to do one last thing today. Picked up some bungee cords with the holes. So these are technically supposed to just be adjustable. As you see, you put the thing through there. But what we're going to use them, lift up the hood. The old engine shops are a little gone, so we're actually take this one, put the bolt through the hole because it's already reinforced with bungee, and then they cut it. And there you go. She'll have new hood latches. So I'm gonna go get this cut. Looky, brand new hood latch. New hood latches. So still got to figure out the locking system for that. I mean, this is a little, the bracket. For a future video, the bracket in the front needs to be dealt with, but to make this go in more and not bow as much, but that should be good to hold it down. Like on this side. So we got the Y pipe finished up, got some hood latches on her. That's it for today. That's all we're going to do. If you guys enjoyed this and you want to see more of the Sno-Jet, we're going to be making more videos on the Sno-Jet. My father has been working on the Sno-Jet as well. We're going to be, in a future video, we're going to be hooking up the speedometer, showing you a full custom wiring harness that we're going to put in her. As well as I have this Star Trek here that we're going to be doing a little work on as well. And we have some, are they Arctic Panthers coming as well to the channel. So there's a lot of sled stuff. So if you're a sledder guy, even though I know I need to get working on the trucks, if you're a sledder guy, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because we got a lot of sleds coming to the channel. Because I have a lot of them that I need to work on and it's sledding season. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in the next video because we're always going to be wrenching.